If you already run a coding agent, you do not have to install DevThrottle yourself. You can ask the agent to do it. This is the shortest of the 3 ways in, and there is almost nothing to watch, which is rather the point. This machine has Claude code on it and no DevThrottle. Nothing has been prepared for what follows, and there is no installer sitting on the disk waiting to be found. Here is everything the agent was given. 1 sentence, and a link to the installer. No commands, no flags, and nothing copied out of our documentation. Your agent will ask before it downloads and runs anything, approve it, and the rest is this. It fetches the installer itself. Then, before running a file it has only just downloaded, it stops to check who signed it. Nobody asked it to do that. And it keeps going. It asks the installer what options it has, checks the prerequisites, and previews the whole install before committing to any of it. 2 components, into a folder in your own profile, no system-wide changes. Only then does it install. From here on it is working from what the file told it, rather than from anything we said. 4 minutes later, open the director. The setup wizard already knows what you have. Claude code, found, with the version and the path it runs from. The agent that installed DevThrottle is the first thing DevThrottle finds. From here, the path is the same whichever way you installed. Next comes your first session, where you pick a repository, pick your agent, and give it real work in your own code.